What's happening, y'all? Atkins Fabrication and then some. Pete here, man. Listen, so a while back I had a supporter send a couple dollars in for some Evaporust. Well, I ordered some Evaporust. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I don't want to bash anyone. I don't want to call anyone liars or anything like that, but I'm sure it was a third-hand party. But I contacted Amazon, and Amazon went through someone else, and they sent me a 32-ounce bottle on the house of Evaporust. I mean, it's not a gallon or anything, but I appreciate it, man. You know, I also didn't order a gallon because what I ordered I thought was actually going to be enough to do it. I mean, it's a small table. You know what I mean? Like a couple nuts and bolts and the little angle thing for it. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a lot of stuff. So I thought a 32-ounce bottle would do it, right? It wasn't. And I don't think it was Evaporust. So we'll see. I got this right here. We're gonna open this bad boy up right here. Okay. Hey, I want you to know something. That's got a little tint to it. Just to let y'all all know. Yep. This has got a yellowish tint to it. It's got a tint to it. That other stuff was absolutely clear with bubbles. Okay? Letting y'all know, man. Like, but you know what? Hold on. This is what I want to do. Now, I'm feeling the texture, and it's, you know, it's close to the same texture, but it's not quite that texture. It's it's definitely got Evaporust in it. I can smell that. But it's not really quite there because it's barely even hitting it. Like, but I don't know. It just doesn't seem to be. You know, and I want, look at that, I could clean that bad boy out, clean that up too. So, I need something for that stuff, because I want that out of there. I just want this table in there. I want that stuff out of there. Give me something to put that in. All we're doing is taking it over there and putting it under the grinding wheel. See how it turns out. I'll let you know. But for now, yeah, we did it. These pieces here, those are to the saw. Yeah, that's to the saw. Definitely clean them up, man. fit that down in there as good as we can get it, right? More. Table alone. Alright, y'all, table alone right now. We just put the table up. The table's alone, sitting with the new Evaporust in it. Come back to you in 24 hours. We'll do a checkup. See you in a minute.